On this episode of Bobscaping, we're going to shear this other burning bush here. It's on the other side of our garden shed. I tend to like to gumdrop them in shape. I'm not for the squaring them off or anything like that. And I always try to keep some airspace between a shrub and a building. That prevents insects from having a bridge across. Plus it creates some airspace for good air circulation. Never hurts before you start to trim a shrub to give it a little shake and stand back just in case there are any bees that have nested in there, because once you start trimming and you're pretty much focused on your trimming, sometimes you don't even see the bees coming, and in any case they come so quickly that you don't have much of a chance anyway. So we'll give this another shake or two here. I don't see any swarms emerging. What you'll tend to find is those swarms and nests form in the shrubs later in the summer. So when you're trimming in July and August, say this same shrub, you're much more likely to encounter those hornets, and they can be very nasty. All right, let's give this one a go. Okay, there we have it. We've cut it back pretty tight because it is starting to get pretty large. It may even be a candidate for a future video to do a major cut back, you know, maybe cut it in half some early spring and show you how it regrows. So for this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.